obtain the Fourier series to express the function f of x is equals to 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square. F of x is equals to 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square, where x varies from 0 to 2 pi, where x varies from 0 to 2 pi. Hence, obtain the following values. Hence, obtain the following values. Number 1, 1 by 1 the square, plus 1 by 2 the square, plus 1 by 3 the square, plus so on up to 1 by 4 the square is equals to pi square divided by 6. In the second part, we have to prove that 1 by 1 the square minus 1 by 2 the square plus 1 by 3 the square minus 1 by 4 the square and so on up to infinity is equals to pi square by 12. And third part is 1 by 1 the square plus 1 by 3 the square plus 1 by 5 the square and so on up to infinity is equals to pi square by 8. This is the function which we want to expand in the Fourier series. After the expansion, we have to derive these three results. Okay. First of all, Fourier series. Formula of the Fourier series. This is a0 by 2 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Let it be equation number 1. This was the formula we had written yesterday. For the Fourier series, we have fx is equals to a0 by 2 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity an cos nx plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity bn sin nx. In this formula, we have to derive the values of a0, an, and bn. For a0, we have 1 by pi integration sign. And the limits of integration are from 0 to 2 pi. From this, we will get the limits. And these are varying from 0 to 2 pi. This is from 0 to 2 pi fx dx. Remember this formula? a0 is equals to 1 by pi integration 0 to 2 pi fx dx. So this is equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx. The value of fx is 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square dx. We have substituted the value of fx and fx is 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square. After that, we have to integrate this function. 4 is constant. We can take it outside. It will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi. This is from 0 to 2 pi, pi minus x the whole square dx. I hope you all know how to integrate this function. This is pi minus x the whole square. You can find it yourself. Pi minus x the whole square. But is it visible?
Yes,
is it
ma'am.
visible? This is 1 by
Yes,
4 pi, 0 to 2 pi, pi minus x the whole square dx. Now integrate this and find the value of a0. It will be equals to 1 upon 4 pi, pi minus x the whole square. You can integrate it in any manner. Either you can Open the formula of a minus b the whole square. It will be equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. You can integrate it individually, and integrate it individually. And after integrating, you have to substitute the limits. Or you know the formula of a minus x the whole a minus x raised to the power n dx. What is the integration of this function? It will be equals to a minus x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into differentiation of ये जो function है, this is a minus x. Beta, lead students, kindly pay attention. A raised to the power n. Write it side by side.
Ma'am, you are not audible.
मैम
My
वॉइस क्रैक हो रही है.
No, ma'am.
G. Integration of a minus x raised to the power n. If we have to integrate a function where one term is constant, a is constant here and x is the variable, we have to integrate with respect to x, then integration of this term will be a minus x raised to the power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 into differentiation of this term. ऐसे ही करते हैं हम. Integration of 2x. Yeah, integration of x raised to the power n. Integration of x raised to the power n. This is equals to x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus
by
1.
n plus 1.
ठीक है? This is the integration of x raised to the power n. So in this we have one constant with the function. So it will be again differentiated here. If you differentiate x, it will be again equals to 1. Derivative of x with respect to x will be equals to 1. So this is generally n plus 1. Okay. So we have to integrate pi minus x the whole square. So integration of pi minus x the whole square will be equals to pi minus x raised to the power n plus 1. Here n is equals to 2. So it will be equals to 3 upon 3 into derivative of pi minus x. देखो pi minus x, differentiation of this function. Differentiation of pi, where pi is constant, and differentiation of x. Differentiation of pi will be equals to 0 as it is constant, minus derivative of x with respect to x is 1. So it will be equals to 3 into minus 1. I hope I am clear to all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is equals to, देखो बेटा 4 into 3 is 12 and this minus sign, it will be equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi minus x the whole cube. So this is the value of a naught. Okay, this is the final value of a naught. We have to substitute this value of a naught here. But at the end, after that, we have to find the value of an. For finding the value of an,
Excuse me,
जी बेटे.
मैम लिमिट से वैल्यू पुट नहीं करेंगे.
जी, we have limits also. This is equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi into pi minus x the whole cube है. And limits of integration are from 0 to 2 pi. ठीक है? 0 to 2 pi. This is minus 1 upon 12 pi. First of all, put upper limit. If we will put upper limit in the place of x, it will be pi minus 2 pi. And pi minus 2 pi will be equals to minus pi the cube. ठीक है? After that, we have to substitute the lower limit in the place of x. It will be equals to pi minus 0.
ma'am, it's not visible. थोड़ा नीचे लिख लो.
This is equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi. First of all, we have to substitute the upper limit. Upper limit is 2 pi, and we will replace x with 2 pi. It will be equals to pi minus 2 pi the whole cube minus lower limit, and lower limit is 0. This is pi minus 0 the whole cube.
मैम नॉट विजुअल.
बेटा ये विजिबल था,
हाँ जी मैम.
ये विजिबल नहीं है.
No,
नहीं
ma'am.
मैम.
Now is it visible?
यस मैम.
Yes, ma'am.
This is equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi. Substitute the limits again. X, in the place of x, we have to substitute 2 pi. This is pi minus 2 pi the whole cube minus, after that substitute lower limit. This is pi minus 0 the whole cube. This is equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi. Pi minus 2 pi will be equals to minus pi, and minus pi the cube is again equals to minus pi the cube. Again, this minus sign as it is.
मैम वो वॉइस इज नॉट ऑडिबल अगेन.
Ma'am, audible है.
This is
Ma'am,
pi cube. बेटा अभी तो मेरी साइड से नेटवर्क बिल्कुल ठीक है और आवाज भी बिल्कुल ठीक जा रही है. ठीक है, हमें पता लग जाता है बेटा. थोड़ा सा बेटा अपना नेट कनेक्शन चेक करो. This is equals to minus 1 upon 12 pi. Minus pi the cube minus pi the cube. It will be equals to minus 2 pi the cube. It will be cancel out. Minus and minus will be plus. It will be equals to pi cube by 6. ठीक है. So this is the final value of A naught.
मैम पाई स्क्वायर नहीं आएगा.
6.
जी, एक पाई भी कैंसिल होगा. It will be equals to pi square by 6. ठीक है. So this is the final value of A naught. After that, we have to find the value of AN, and the value of AN is given by 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos nx dx. The value of n equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos nx dx. Fine. So should I remove it from here? Have you noted down?
यस मैम.
An is equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx cos nx dx. So An equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx. The value of fx is 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square into cos nx dx. Yesterday I asked you the formula of u into v in the case of integration. I hope you all remember that formula, but today I am applying it in the chain rule. See how we will apply in the chain rule. If there are two functions under the integration sign, first of all, this is first function, let it be second function. Write first function as it is, integrate second function. For integration, I will use the subscript, and for differentiation, I will use the superscripts. First function as it is, integrate second function. After that, there will be negative sign. Now this is the first function and this is the second function. For this function, you have to differentiate this function, and this second function will be again integrated. Again plus sign. Now this is first function and this is second function. Again differentiate first function and integrate second function. Again there will be negative sign. Now this is first function and this is second function. Again differentiate first function and integrate second function, and so on, जब तक हमारी differentiation खत्म नहीं हो जाती है. Is it clear, beta? Again, I am repeating.
Yes, ma'am.
There are two functions, number 1 and number 2. Write first function as it is. Integrate second function. Then it will be negative sign. Now this is first function, this is second function. Differentiate first function, integrate second function. Again, it will be positive sign. Now these are two functions. This is first function, this is second function. Again, differentiate first function and integrate second function. Again, negative sign. Now this is first function, this is second function. Integrate first function and differentiate first function and integrate second function, and so on. Dekho, we will use alternate signs, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, and so on. You just remember one thing: if there are two functions, first of all, first function will be written as it is and integrate second function. After that, every time you have to differentiate first function and integrate second function till the differentiation becomes 0. Okay? How we will apply it? Kindly note down this result. You can note it down. So, beta, here we have 1 by pi, 0 to 2 pi, integration limits are 1 by 4 constant. It will become outside. This is first function. This is second function. First of all, first function as it is. This is pi minus x the whole square. Integration of second function. Integration of cos nx will be equals to. Integration of cos nx will be equals to
Sine.
sin nx upon n. This term is with positive sign. After that, you have to write negative sign. Now this is, अब इसको छोड़ दो. Now leave this term. ठीक है? Now this is first function and this is second function. You have to differentiate first function. Pi minus x the whole square. इसकी differentiation 2 into pi minus x
Minus
की power 1.
3.
1. बच्चे, we are differentiating this.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
Yeah. We are to differentiate this function. It will be equals to, power will come down, pi minus x, and power, जो भी power है, minus 1. 2 minus 1 will be equals to 1. And integrate second function, sine की integration. Minus
cos
nx divided by n. 1 n is already there. Again 1 n, it will become n square. Okay? After that, there will be positive sign. This 2 will be as it is. Now this is first function and this is second function. Leave this term now. Okay? Now this is first function and this is second function. Differentiation of pi minus x. Differentiation of pi minus x. Differentiation of pi will be 0. Differentiation of minus x will be equals to minus 1. Okay? Again, this bracket, this negative sign will remain as it is. Integration of cos nx. Integration of cos nx will be equals to sin nx again divided by 1n, and n square is already there. It will becomes n cube. After that, negative sign. This 2 will remain as it is. Now this is the first function and this is the second function. First function is constant. It is minus 1. If we differentiate minus 1, it will become 0. And integrate second function. This minus sign will remain as it is. Integration of sin x is minus cos x. It will become positive. This is cos nx upon n raised to the power 4. And limits of integration are from 0 to 2 pi. देखो बेटा, ये step clear है? Is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
If
ma'am.
there is
Ma'am,
any
seconds.
doubt, you can ask freely, because as we will move forward, this step will repeat again and again. ठीक है? I'm again repeating. We have to integrate this function. In this function, we have two functions, number 1 and number 2. While applying u into v, what we will do, first of all, first function will remain as it is. integrate second function. The negative sign, differentiate this function and integrate this function. Again, positive sign, this 2 will remain as it is. This is the function. Again, differentiate this function and again integrate this function. This minus sign will remain as it is. Again, negative sign, this 2 will remain as it is. This was the function, differentiate this function. As this is constant, so it will become 0, and integrate this function and we will get its integration as this, and limits of integration will 0 to 2 pi. We will stop here because differentiation becomes 0. ठीक है, यहाँ पे हमारी differentiation 0 हो चुकी है. So we will stop here. Any doubts
Ma'am.
बेटा?
मैम
जी.
मैम सेकंड स्टेप में एक और माइनस नहीं
यहाँ पे
Yes.
सेकंड
ma'am.
स्टेप
हम ऊपर
ऊपर ऊपर
ऊपर
ये वाला
ऊपर
step.
-2 माइनस करने वाला.
साथ में यस मैम
Yes, ma'am. pi minus x का होगा मैम जो.
One more minus बेटा. Wait. Again, this is equals to pi minus x the whole square into sine nx upon n minus and this minus. 3 times minus, it will be equals to again minus sine 2 into pi minus x. Then it will be equals to cos nx upon n square minus or minus. Again 3 times minus. Outside it is positive sign. It will again become minus 2 into sine nx upon n cube, and this term will become 0. So this is the required function which we want to find it again. After that, this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi. Now beta, I am going to substitute the limits. First of all, upper limit. Upper limit is 2 pi. Substitute 2 pi here. You will get pi minus 2 pi. And pi minus 2 pi will be equals to minus pi. And minus pi the square will be equals to pi square. Okay? Sine n. In the place of x, we have to replace 2 pi. We will get sine of 2n pi. Okay? This n is as it is. In the place of x, we have replaced 2 pi. Minus 2 pi minus x. In the place of x, we have to replace 2 pi. This is pi minus 2 pi. Pi minus 2 pi will be again equals to minus pi into cos nx. In the place of x, we have to replace 2 pi. This is cos 2n pi divided by n square minus 2 sine x. This is again 2n pi divided by n cube. This is the upper limit. After that, we have to substitute lower limit. For the lower limit, we have to put 0. Pi minus 0 the whole square. Pi minus 0 will be equals to pi. It will become pi square sine n into x. In the place of x, we have to replace 0. It will become sine 0 upon n minus 2 pi. In the place of x, we have to replace 0. Then cos. In the place of x, we have to put 0. This is cos 0 upon n square minus. This is 2 sine 0 upon n cube. So this is the lower limit. So this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi. Now the value of sine 2n pi. Anybody? The value of sine 2n pi.
Zero.
Samriddhi, are you saying something?
Ma'am, 0.
0. जी बच्चे, sine 2n pi. Why it is 0 बच्चे? इसको देख लो ध्यान से. This is our sine curve. ठीक है? This is 0. This is pi. This is pi. This is 3 pi by 2. And this is 2 pi. ठीक है? We have to find the value of sine 2n pi. Sine 2n pi means If we substitute n is equals to 0, this term will become sine 0 and sine 0 is 0. If we put n is equals to 1, this will become sine 2 pi and sine 2 pi is again 0. If we put n is equals to 2, this will become sine 4 pi and sine 4 pi is again 0. It means that all the even multiples of sine are 0. So its value is 0. Beta, is it clear? All the even multiples of sine, its value is 0. Sine 0, 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, 8 pi. All the values lie on the 0 line. So its general value sine 2n pi is equals to 0. We can derive like this. You can note it down, beta. You have to remember this. If you don't remember, you can substitute the values. Okay? First of all, put n is equals to 1, n is equals to 2, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 4. For every value, we will get some even value, and for all the even values of pi, sine value is 0. So this is equals to 0. Pi square into 0 is again 0. This minus and this minus, it will become plus 2 pi. Anybody can tell cos 2 and pi?
1.
1.
1.
Very good. G. Cos 2 and pi. How is it 2 and pi? Cos 2 and pi. देखो, this is the cos curve. ठीक है? This is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi. All the even multiples of pi are on this line. So every value of cos at the even multiple is 1. And all the odd multiples are on this line. So its value is minus 1. You can substitute here, put n is equals to 1. It will become cos 2 pi and the value of cos 2 pi is 1. If we put n is equals to 2, it will become cos 4 pi. Again, cos 4 pi will come here. So it is again equals to 1. Similarly, n is equals to 3, n is equals to 4. For every value of even multiple of cos, we have its value as 1. So this is equals to cos 2 and pi is 1. Division में क्या है? This is equals to n square. Cos 2 and pi is always equals to 1 and sine 2 and pi is always equals to 0. Again, we have sine 2 and pi. Again, sine 2 and pi is 0. So whole value will be equals to 0. This was the upper limit minus. We have to solve the lower limit. Sine 0 is again 0 minus 2 pi upon n square. Cos 0 is again 1 minus this is again 0. So this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi 2 pi by n square. Minus or minus will be equals to plus 2 pi by n square. So this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi 2 pi by n square plus 2 pi by n square. This is equals to 4 pi by n square and this will be equals to 1 upon n square. Fine. So this is the value of an. I am giving you 5 minutes. Find the value of bn. The value of bn is equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi fx sine nx dx. This is equals to 1 by pi 0 to 2 pi. The value of fx is 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square into sine nx dx. Again, we have to integrate. But again, I am repeating the steps. First of all, first function as it is. This is pi minus x the whole square. Integrate second function. Integration of sine nx is minus cos nx upon n. Minus. Differentiate first function. This is 2 into pi minus x into derivative of pi minus x is minus 1. This minus sign as it is. Integration of cos nx is sine nx upon n. 1n is already there. So we will write n square. After that, put positive sign. This 2 will remain as it is. Differentiation of pi minus x is minus 1. This minus 1 will remain as it is. Again, this minus sign as it is, integration of sin x is minus cos x, and it will become positive divided by n cube. Here I am closing the bracket, as again, if we differentiate this function, it will become 0. And the limits of integration are from 0 to 2 pi. Limits of integration are from 0 to 2 pi. So this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi. Better substitute the limits. First of all, we have to put 2 pi in the place of x, pi minus 2 pi. Pi minus 2 pi will be equals to minus pi, and minus pi the square is pi the square minus cos. This is 2n pi divided by n minus 2. This is again pi minus 2 pi. This is minus pi minus 1 minus sine 2n pi upon n square plus 2. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. And again, this is cos of 2n pi upon n cube. Okay? Minus. After that, we have to substitute 0. This is pi square minus cos 0 upon n minus 2 pi minus 1 minus sine 0 upon n square plus 2 cos 0 upon n cube. This was the lower limit. 1 by 4 pi. This is minus pi square by n, as cos 2n pi is 1. This whole term will become 0, as sine 2n pi is 0 plus 2. Cos 2n pi is again 1. This is 2 upon n cube. It was the upper limit minus lower limit. Minus pi square upon n, as cos 0 is 1. It will become 0, as sine 0 is 0 plus 2 by n cube. Okay? So this is equals to 1 upon 4 pi minus pi square by n plus 2 by n cube plus pi square by n. Opening these brackets, minus and minus will be plus. Minus and plus will be minus 2 upon n cube. All the terms will be cancelled out and we will get 0. The value of Bn is 0. Is it clear, beta? If any doubt it's there, then you can ask. So we have find all the values of A0, An and Bn. After finding the values, we have to substitute these three values in equation number 1. We have written in the starting fx is equals to, ये आप लोगों ने लिखा है, लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just write down substituting all the values of A0, An and Bn in equation number 1. This is equals to, the value of A0 was, the value of A0 was pi square by 6. Okay? And 6 into 2 is 12. Plus summation, n varies from 1 to infinity. Value of An was 1 upon n square cos nx. Plus summation, n varies from 1 to infinity. Value of Bn was 0 into sin nx. ठीक है, we have substituted the values of a naught, an and bn here and we get this Fourier series. See beta, if the question is expand the Fourier series in this interval, then this is our expansion. ठीक है, this is our answer. You need not to expand it further. This is our required result. ठीक है, if the question is expand the function as a Fourier series in the interval 0 to 2 pi, then this is the result. This is the final answer. You no need to expand it again. But in this question, we have to deduce 3 results also. So for finding these 3 results, first of all, we will open the summation here and write the value of fx. Fx was 1 by 4 pi minus x the whole square. Left hand side, we have substitute the value of fx. On the right hand side, this is equals to pi square by 12 plus. Open the summation. I hope that you all know how to open the summation. First of all, put n is equals to 1. If we put n is equal to 1, it will become 1 upon 1 the square into cos x. Summation means addition in all the terms. N is equals to 2. 1 upon 2 square into cos 2x plus 1 upon 3 square cos 3x plus 1 upon 4 square cos 4x plus 1 upon 5 square cos 5x and so on up to infinity. Why infinity? Because this summation is from 1 to infinity. ठीक है बेटा जी. After that, we have to write the results as we are given. How to write these results? देखो, in result number 1, you need 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 2 square, 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 4 square. 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. But you don't need these cos x, cos 2x, cos 3x. We don't want cos terms. How we can eliminate cos? What can be substituted in the value of x so that it becomes 1?
X equals to 0.
Very good. Put x is equals to 0. Put x is equals to 0. If we put x is equals to 0 in equation number 2, ठीक है, let this equation be equation number 2. Put x is equals to 0 in equation number 2. What we will get? 1 upon 4 pi minus x whole square tha. It will become pi minus 0 the whole square is equals to pi square by 12 plus 1 by 1 square. It will be cos 0 and cos 0 is 1 plus 1 by 2 square into cos 2 into 0. That is again cos 0. This is again 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 4 square, 1 upon 5 square and so on up to infinity. ठीक है? Left hand side, it will be pi square by 4. Take this term on left hand side as we don't need this term on this side. Pi square by 12 is equals to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on up to infinity. I hope you can solve this term. Pi square by 4 minus pi square by 12. Taking the LCM and evaluate this
12,
term, you will
3.
get pi square by 6. ठीक है? Pi square by 6 is equals to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus 1 by 5 square and so on up to infinity. So this is our required result number 1. For result number 2, what should we do, beta? देखो, in this case, again we need 1 upon 1 square, 1 upon 2 square, 1 upon 3 square, 1 upon 4 square. Again we need these. But signs are alternative. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Signs are like this. What we can put x
Pi.
here?
Pi.
Very good. Put x is equals to pi in equation number 2. If we put x is equals to pi in equation number 2, left hand side will become 0. Pi minus pi, it will be 0 is equals to pi square by 12 plus 1 by 1 square. This is cos pi, and cos pi is minus 1. All the even multiples of cos value is plus 1, and for all the odd multiples of cos the value is minus 1. So it will be minus 1 plus 1 by 2 the square into cos 2 pi. This will be 1 plus 1 by 3 the square. This will be minus 1 plus 1 by 4 the square. It will be plus 1 plus 1 by 5 the square. It will be minus 1, and so on up to infinity. Take this term on left hand side. It will be minus pi square by 12. This is minus ka sign. Let it be outside, as we need 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square. ठीक है? माइनस का साइन कॉमन निकाल रहे हैं, तो माइनस 1 by 2 the square plus 1 by 3 the square minus 1 by 4 the square plus 1 by 5 the square, and so on up to infinity. This minus and this minus will be cancelled out. So this is our required result number 2. What should we do for the result number 3? जी बेटा. Anybody बेटा?
Add 1 and 2 result.
जी बिल्कुल ठीक है. This result and this result. Add these two results. देखो results add करोगे, plus 1 by 2 square and minus 1 by 2 square. It will be cancel out. Plus 1 by 4 square minus 1 by 4 square. It will be cancel out, and you will get this required result. Result number 3. After that, write it down. Add result number 1 and result number 2. You will get the required result number 3. G. Second question is obtain the Fourier series for the function obtain the Fourier series for the function fx is equals to x square, where x varies from minus pi to pi. Where x varies from minus pi to pi. Is there any difference between this question and the last question just we have done before?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference?
Ma'am, limits interval
Limits.
वो 0 से 2 pi था,
Good.
ये minus.
Very good beta. देखो, in last question the limits were from 0 to 2 pi. ठीक है? In this question limits are from minus pi to pi. And if you remember yesterday I told you if the limits are same with positive and negative sign, in that case we can check the function for even and odd. ठीक है? First of all, the limits are from minus pi to pi. F of minus x is equals to minus x the whole square. This is equals to x square. This is again equals to fx. So this is even function. Even function है. So if the function is even, which term is 0? A naught, an or bn?
Ma'am, no one.
No one.
कोई
Why
भी
so?
zero नहीं होगा.
क्यों बेटा?
Not I mean not
BN.
BN, ma'am.
BN is
BN.
zero.
Bn will be equals to 0. We no need to find this bn. Yesterday we write down some results on even and odd function. If the limits are same and we have to evaluate the function, in that case if the function is even, then bn will be equals to 0. देखो, in this case we came to know about the bn, that bn is 0. So we no need to find this. Otherwise, if you forget this step, nothing to worry. Simply find all the values a naught, an and bn. When you will find bn, bn will be automatically 0. ठीक है? डरने की बात नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं अगर नहीं पता चला तो. Starting में आप सारा question as it is ही करेंगे. After that, you will came to know that bn is equals to 0. So first of all, again fx is equals to a naught by 2 plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus summation n varies from 1 to infinity b n sin nx. formula, you will write the whole formula. ठीक है? After writing the formula, at the end we will say that Bn is equals to 0, so this term is 0. ठीक है? Starting में ये नहीं करना कि Bn 0 तो हमें इस term को लिखना ही नहीं है. You will write the whole formula. After we will substitute the values. In that case, we will say that Bn is equals to 0. So first of all, A naught. A naught, this is 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. Since the function is even, this is from 2 by pi 0 to pi fx dx. Remember this result? I told you yesterday, if the
Yes,
function
ma'am.
is
Yes,
even,
ma'am.
Yes,
then the
ma'am.
value of an will become 2 upon pi, and this limit will become from 0 to pi fx dx. So this is equals to 2 by pi 0 to pi fx. Fx is x square dx. This is 2 by pi. Integration of x square is x cube by 3 from 0 to pi. This is 2 by pi. Substitute the limits. This is pi cube by 3 minus 0. This is equals to 2 by pi into pi cube by 3. This is equals to 2 pi square by 3. ठीक है बेटा? This is 2 pi square by 3. After that, we have to find the value of an. An will be equals to, first of all, you have to write the formula. In this formula, you will say since fx is even, so this formula is reduced to this one. An is equals to 1 by pi minus pi to pi fx dx. This is equals to 2 by pi 0 to pi fx. This is cos nx dx into cos nx dx. This is equals to 2 by pi 0 to pi fx is x square into cos nx dx. ठीक है? This is equals to 2 by pi. Now we have to integrate this function. Again, two functions are there, function 1 and function 2. Integrate by parts or by chain rule. देखो, if you integrate by parts, u into v, that is first function as it is, integration of second function minus integration, differentiation of first function into integration of second function, result will be same. चाहे ये अप्लाई कर दो या जो मैंने आपको चेन रूल सिखाया है वो अप्लाई कर दो, रिजल्ट सेम आएगा. ठीक है? इसमें आपको फिर दोबारा एक और स्टेप हो सकता है, 2 स्टेप्स भी करने पड़े, इसमें एक ही स्टेप में खत्म हो जाता है. ठीक है? So this is equals to first function as it is, x square, integration of cos nx is sin nx upon n minus sin. Differentiation of x square, this is 2x, integration of sin nx is minus cos nx upon n square. Then positive sign, 2 as it is, differentiation of x is 1. This negative sign as it is, integration of cos nx is sin nx upon n cube. After that, its differentiation will become 0. So I'm not writing that term, and the limits are from 0 to pi. This is equals to 2 by pi. Substitute the limits. This is pi square sin n pi upon n minus n minus plus 2 pi cos n pi upon n square minus 2 sin n pi upon n cube. Then minus sign, substitute lower limit, it will become 0. Sin 0 upon n plus 2 into 0 cos 0 upon n square minus 2 into sin 0 upon n cube. This will be equals to 2 by pi sin n pi. What will be the value of sin n pi?
0.
0. देखो 0 pi by 2 pi, 3 pi by 2 2 pi, चाहे इवन मल्टीपल है चाहे ऑड मल्टीपल है, वैल्यूज हमारे पास क्या है? 0. सो दिस इज इक्वल्स टू 0 प्लस 2 पाई. जिसको ये चीज नहीं समझ में आती है बेटा, इसको क्रैम करने की जरूरत नहीं है, आप लोग n की वैल्यूज को सब्स्टिट्यूट कर सकते हो. Term is sin n pi. First of all, put n is equals to 1. You will get sin pi, and sin pi is 0. Then put n is equals to 2. Sin 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is again 0. Then
0.
put n is equals to 3. Sin 3 pi. Sin 3 pi is again 0. Sin 4 pi is again 0. So इसको याद करने की जरूरत नहीं होती है. ये जैसे जैसे आप करते जाओगे, प्रैक्टिस करते जाओगे, आपको खुद याद हो जाएंगी. नहीं याद होती है तो आप इसको साइड पे ऐसे कर सकते हो. ठीक है. Now what will be the value of cos n pi?
1.
-1.
देखो ना 1 है ना -1 है. It will be alternative. At the even multiples it will be +1 and at the odd multiples it will be -1. ठीक है. So
Yes, ma'am.
we can write it as -1 raised to the power n upon n square. ठीक है. देखो हमारे पास क्या था? cos n pi. जब n की वैल्यू 1 पुट करोगे आपके पास क्या आएगा? cos pi. cos pi is -1. When we will put n is equals to 2, it will be cos 2 pi. It will be +1. Cos 3 pi, it will be equals to again -1. Cos 4 pi, it will be again equals to +1 and so on. +1, -1, +1, -1. It will be continue like this. We have written -1 raised to the power n. अब देखो -1 raised to the power n. First of all, put n is equals to 1. -1 the power 1 will be -1. -1 the power 2 will be +1. -1 the power 3 will be -1. -1 the power 4 will be +1. देखो ये वैल्यू सेम आ रही है. -1 +1 -1 +1. So cos n pi is -1 raised to the power n. देखो बेटा ये चीज क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
-1 raised to the power n. Again minus sin n pi is again 0. Minus lower limit 0. This will be 0. Again 0. This will be again 0. Sin 0 is again 0. The lower limit सारी 0 है. So this is equals to 2 into 2 is 4. Pi and pi will be cancelled out. -1 the power n upon n square. So this was the value of a naught. This was the value of an, and bn is 0. Substitute the values of a naught, an and bn in equation number 1. You will get the required expansion. Is there any doubt, Beta?
No, ma'am.